Hello everybody and welcome to another DCME tutorial. Today's tutorial will show you how to use the Staff app. So once you've logged in with your credentials, you will be given the screen which shows the current day and any appointments you have assigned. You can scroll up to 10 days in the future and 1 day in the past to see any previous appointments. Now, to deliver an appointment, what you can do is, first of all, you look at the appointment. You can see the service user's name, the start time, the end time, whether medication is required, the address, and if you are unfamiliar with the area, then you can open up on a map and it will go into Google Maps. Now, once you arrive, you can have the option to look at any previous appointment reports up to the last 48 hours. You can view the care plan in advance. You can view any risks, risk levels, and risk assessments. And if there's a key code, you can put your key code in, your PIN number in, and it will give you the key code to let yourself into the service user's address. Once you enter the property, you will mark your arrival. Now, the best way to do this would be to open up click the I have arrived button. This will open up your camera and you can scan the QR code, which should be in the client's home or in their folder. If there's no QR code, then you can also mark your arrival manually by clicking on this button. The system will then capture your location. You can now click on any task that you have done. So, for example, we've made Barbara lunch in this example. If there are any medication, please note the system will not let you sign out if you haven't recorded against all of the medication. Once you've completed all the medication, it will go green. You also have the option to look at an EMR should you need to. And this will generate automatically within the system. You can then continue. So for this example, as an example, there may have been an injury. You notice bruising to the knee. You can complete a body map here. If they had a catheter, you would fill that information here. If you went to the shops or done any financial transactions, you could complete that information on this form. If there were any incidences, you did any personal care, bathing or showering or washing, you could complete this form here. Stool charts, fluid charts, and any observations. So for this one, we're going to give lunch. So we select the time. Okay. And we say that the client had fish and chips. We put that they ate it all. They had a glass of water and they had half a glass. And you can put ate well, or you do not have to put a comment if you don't want to. Update. You then can come to your appointment summary. So, for example, you can either click on the microphone button on your phone, and it will convert your words into text. So you could say, as an example, Barbara was fine on arrival. I assisted her with lunch and made her fish and chips with a glass of water, and she ate well. I tidied everything up and left the house. Barbara was fine when leaving. Okay, so that's done. You may need to just double check it just to make sure it's translated everything you said correctly. Okay, once you're happy with that, you click the button to update your appointment summary. You also have the option to upload an image should you need to, and you just click on that and it opens up your camera, and you click the upload image. Once you finish, you will click on the I am departing button or mark your departure manually. If you click on the I am departing button, it will open up your camera. Let's depart manually. It's asking why we're leaving early because we've completed a 1 hour appointment in 3 minutes. So we click that option. It captures your location and you can see it goes green. You now have 1 hour to go back and make any changes to those appointment records should you need to. And that is how you would do an appointment as a staff member. There is other functionality within the app. You can look at any policies and procedures that your organisation has uploaded for you. You can look at reports. You can look at how many hours you've worked by doing the select dates. You can look at how much mileage you've driven if you're a driver, any training videos that your company has uploaded, and also if you wanted to request any holiday, you could do that here. So this is a brief overview and summary of how to use the Staff app, and hopefully it's very easy to follow, and we look forward to you using it in the future and delivering first class care. DCME, Domiciliary Care Made Easier.